How to make a rat trap to kill rats. Rats can cause major problems for homeowners. They carry disease, attack pets, make a mess and breed like crazy. Getting rid of rats requires the removal of food sources and shelter. Traps can help get rid of existing ones. Special rat traps exist and are inexpensive. They are like mouse traps, just larger. However, making a rat trap at home can be done in minutes and will kill the rats. There is no real humane way to kill the rat without a specialized trap or poison. Things you'll need: bucket, water, thin wood plank, long wood plank, peanut butter, crate or box. Fill a large bucket half full with water. The bucket should be at least 2 feet in size. Position the bucket in an area where rats frequent. Place a crate or box of equal height next to the bucket. Place a thin board on the box and have it overhang into the middle of the bucket. The board should fall into the bucket easily when a little bit of pressure is applied to the end of it. Smear peanut butter on the end of the board, on the part that hangs over the bucket. Place a longer wood plank on the other end of the box. This plank will act as a ramp for the rat to crawl up to the box. Rats have an excellent sense of smell, and they will definitely smell the peanut butter. The rat crawls up onto the box, sees the peanut butter and walks the plank to it. The rat's weight causes the plank to fall into the water. The rat drowns. Check the bucket daily and dispose of the rat.